everyone, this is Ieasha from Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and I'm going to make some, first of all I want to say happy Valentine's Day, because today is Valentine's Day, so I hope you all are having a great Valentine's Day. I wanted to come on here and show you what I'm about to make. My daughter and we're about to make some chocolate covered strawberries, and as you can see, what you will need if you want to make this are strawberries, which I purchased from Sam's Club, and they were like $5.67 for a real big thing of them. You will also need, of course, some chocolate, and I purchased some white chocolate. I'm gonna make both. These wooden dowels, and I purchased these from Walmart for 97 cents. And I forgot to tell you, these were like $2.47 at Walmart a piece. And you will need some microwave safe glass bowls. This is what I have, and I'm going to put mine in the microwave and melt it that way. You will also need some parchment paper or wax paper. I had parchment paper, so this is what I used, what I'm going to use. And I also have this little silver tray. I'm just going to put my parchment paper on top of it and just set my strawberries on it. But if you don't have that, you can always just spread it out on your countertop. So what we're about to do, we're about to get ready and start melting our chocolates. And as you see, the chocolates that I bought they're in really big chunks. So we're just gonna break it apart. As you can see right there. Okay, so we're about to go to the microwave. Start with 20. And we're just gonna do it for 20 seconds. And if it's not melted, you can always put some more time on your microwave. Okay, so it's not melted. So add another, put a minute. And just continue to check it. And so we decided to put a minute on here, and we're just gonna continue to check it. And I'll be back once it's melted. Okay, everyone, so we're back, and as you can see, the chocolate has melted, and we melted it in the microwave. And so I just stirred it up with a spoon. So all I'm gonna do is take my dowel, my wooden dowel, and just stick it inside the strawberry. And I'm just gonna put it right here. I could have took the little green stems off, but I'm gonna leave it on there. Oh, went too far. So I'm just gonna stick it in there, and I'm gonna take it and dip it in my my chocolate. Oh wow. Okay, so I'm finished dipping it, and I'm just gonna take it and place it here onto my parchment paper and let it dry. Okay, so again, you just take your wooden dowel and just put it right inside your strawberry, or however, wherever you want to put it, it's fine. I just put mine here. And I just take it and just dip it in my in my chocolate. And just go round and round to make sure it gets all over the, at least on the ends of the strawberry. And it probably could be better, but it's okay for me and my family. We're okay with that. Just place it right here. Okay. And I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to stick it right inside. Okay, that did good. This time I put it right inside the green stem, and that's a little better. So I just take it and just place it, dip it right here inside my chocolate. And just go round and round. going to put it here on my parchment paper. And I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest. And then I'll come back to show you how we do our white chocolate. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the chocolate dipped strawberries, as you can see right here. And on this one, I decided to do something a little different. I had some of those M&M cookies, and so I decided to these cookies right here, the Chips Deluxe mini cookies. Well, actually the M&M Rainbow. All I did was like crush them up and just sprinkle them on top. And I'm gonna see how that tastes, but it looks pretty good. So now my daughter is about to do the white chocolate. And as you can tell, again, those are some really big chocolate chunks. So we're about to just go and microwave it again until it melts. Okay, so as you can see, the white chocolate is completely melted. So now she's about to put strawberries on the dowels and dip it into the white chocolate. Take it and put it on here with the other chocolates. All right, and it's best to go ahead and put it into the chocolate while it's hot, because if not, it won't stick to the strawberries well. Let's put it there. Okay. All right, so we'll be back when she's finished, just so show you all of the strawberries. Okay, so here's our strawberries. We have the dark chocolate as well as the white chocolate, and they turned out pretty good. And this will be our Valentine's Day strawberries for tonight. And my daughter says she will try one, so we're gonna let her try one and see how it tastes. Good. It's good. Let's see how. Oh, those are juicy strawberries there. Okay, y'all. So I hope you all have enjoyed this, I guess, tutorial on how to make chocolate and white chocolate dipped strawberries. And again, I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I will see you or talk to you on the next video. Have a great night.